Being in isolation is a great opportunity to get that apron out and start cooking healthy meals for your family. I've got a great snack recipe next which uses ingredients from your pantry to make a healthy cranberry and oat slice. For the cranberry and oat muesli bars, you'll need the following ingredients. First of all, you need to toss these onto a lined baking tray and put them into a preheated oven for about 5 minutes, and the oven's at 190 degrees Celsius. And then we're going to take our processed mixture and then pour that into our tray. Using a spatula or a fork, just press into the dish. That needs to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes. Yep, they're done. Nice and brown and ready to pop on a cooling tray, and then we can cut into pieces to have for a snack this afternoon.